What's the meaning of banyan? Banyan. Banyan.
Banyan. Banyan. The word banyan has a few different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a type of fig tree that is common in India and is renowned for its aerial roots, which grow downwards from the branches and eventually become additional trunks. The word can also refer to a type of loose-fitting shirt or jacket that is often worn in hot climates and is typically made from lightweight fabric. Additionally, the word banyan can be used to describe a member of a Hindu merchant caste in India, or as a general term for someone who conducts business transactions.